You'll need the following items to make your very own Dapper Dog bows: a rotary cutter, rotary cutting mat, a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, 1/4-inch thick elastic bands, scissors, and a fabric of your choice. I've cut the fabric to measure 4 by 8 inches for the main part of the bow and 2 by 2 inches for the center piece of the bow. Using the larger piece of fabric, fold it in half hot dog style to mark the center. Using the crease as a guide, fold the fabric ends to meet in the center. Hot glue the seam. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Any mistakes made during this part will be covered up later. After securing the seam, fold the fabric hamburger style to create a center crease. Using the crease as a guide, fold the fabric ends to meet in the middle. Secure the ends with hot glue. It's time to create the pleats in the bow. To create the pleats, fold the fabric like an accordion. It's very similar to folding a paper fan. Adjust the folds to your liking. I did 5 folds to create the pleats shown here. Using the seam as your guide for the center of the bow, add a dot of glue and fold the fabric. Press firmly to secure the pleat and continue till you've reached the end of your fabric. Using the smaller piece of fabric, right side facing down, fold it into thirds and add glue to secure the 2 outer folds. Cut off any excess fabric. Glue one end of the fabric to the back center part of the bow. Wrap the fabric around the front and secure the opposite end to the back. Press firmly. You're on the last step! Cut a piece of elastic smaller than the diameter of your pup's collar. Apply a dot of glue to the back of the bow and attach the elastic band. Apply another dot of glue and secure the elastic band to itself. Press firmly to ensure everything stays in place. Slip the bow tie on your pup's collar and have a fun little photo shoot full of treats. Share your bow designs with us on Instagram and follow along on our blog for more DIYs and shenanigans. Peace out, Mary and Amanda.